Hello YouTube and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Ideas. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before watching this video. This video is very quick and simple. This video I am going to show you how to uninstall any application in your Amazon Fire TV stick. So this is my home screen for the Amazon Fire TV screen, and there are two ways to uninstall the application. So let's go one by one. So first, go to the settings. Here you can find applications. So you have to click on applications, and here you will have manage installed applications. Okay, so once you click on manage installed applications, you will have all the application listed. So let me uninstall one of the application. So you have to select application, and here you will have a uninstall option. So you just need to select uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall? So click uninstall again. So now it is uninstalled my application. The second way is you have to go to your home screen again. Okay, so once you are home screen, you have to select your apps and channel, and here at the very last you will have a see all option. Select on see all. Here you will have all the applications. So any of the application, if you want to remove, select that one. Let's say this one. Right, once you uninstall, it will go into the cloud. See here. So right now I already uninstalled this one application, that game, but still it is available here. So you can remove it from cloud here, like this. Remove from cloud. Remove from cloud. Okay, and if you want to uninstall, then you have to select application and click on hamburger button, options at very right corner at the bottom side. So once you click on that, you will have uninstall option. Click on uninstall. See, it's uninstalled now. So it's very simple to uninstall the application in your Amazon Fire TV stick. If you have any question, confusion, please let me know. And if you like the videos, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.